Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Good morning. Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Nahian.
Mr. Nahian, would you like to tell me about road accident, please?
Okay, fine. Thanks for you asking. Actually, a road accident is a very great problem in our day-to-day life. Yesterday, a tragic road accident just before my eyes. I was coming from my school. I have to cross a busy road in order to go to my home. There was another boy who was crossing the road, but at the same time, a car was coming at the opposite direction. The boy did not notice it. The driver tried his best to control the speed, but he failed. The boy ran over by the car. We went there quickly. There was blood everywhere. We took the boy hospital, but he died. In the whole night, I cannot sleep. The face of the innocent boy was coming my mind. It was a very sorrowful death. So is that.
Oh, so sad. See you again.
I'll see you again.